protect me.
I hit him with the blanket.
That fucking hurt.
Look at the bed.
No, I don't want to look at it. No, nigga. No.
Lawrence, get off.
I don't, no more, mercy. No, fuck you. No,
Put it down. Look at behind you.
What?
Look at
No.
God, look at the bed.
Oh, no, no more, no.
Lawrence, you're gonna fall down the stairs.
No, I'm not.
Lawrence, get the fuck up here with my pillow. Get up here. Stop being a fucking
I'm going
bitch.
to the bathroom, but I'm
No, you're not. Then give me my pillow then. Give me my pillow. Lawrence, 1, 2, 3. Don't worry, guys. It's gonna return pennies.